we are going to be doing string wrapped straw beads. Now this craft is actually fairly simple, but it makes a really beautiful piece of jewelry at the end. We're going to pour out a little bit of glue here. I'm going to start with blue because blue is my favorite color. And this, like I said, is a fairly easy craft. It's kind of almost zen-like, and once you get used to it, it's kind of fun to do. You just keep doing this until we get all the way down to the end of the straw. I waited probably about an hour for this to dry. You can see it's pretty solid at this point. And now we'll just make as many beads as we would want off of here. I'll make mine about that size. And just to give you context, you might still think these look a little weird, but when you add them on a string, and combine them with some of the little pony beads that we have here, you'll see how pretty these can be on a necklace or a bracelet. There you go. Have fun with all those, and you can alternate the colors we have. It'll be gorgeous.